Good morning, dear students. Welcome to continue part of Social Science of 6th Standard. Yes, in the previous class we have discussed about the Mysore division. Yes, so in the Mysore division we have discussed about forest, wildlife, national parks. Okay, so in this class we are going to about discuss agriculture and industries of Mysore division. Yes, so which is the main agriculture crops of this Mysore division and what are the important industries of this Mysore division. We are going to discuss about this all things in this class. Okay, so agriculture, it is the lifeline of our people. Yes, as we know, agriculture, it is the main occupation of our India's people, and mainly 65% of the people, they are depending upon the agriculture. That's why agriculture, it is known as the backbone of our India. Okay, so like this, agriculture, it is also a lifeline of the people of the Mysore division land as well as all India. Yes, and the districts of Mysore are no exception to this reality. Yes, so there are so many districts in Mysore division. So among them, the main occupations of the people, that is agriculture of the Mysore division. Okay, and Mysore district, it is famous for silk, whereas Kodagu, Chikmagalur and Hasana are known for their coffee plantation. Yes, so you can see here. So weaving of Mysore sarees, it is a important work or the occupation of the Mysore district. Yes, so Mysore silk sarees are very famous. So, and whereas Kodagu is Kodagu, Chikmagalur and Hasan. So this is a hilly area. Yes, so it has a coffee and as well as tea plantation. So Kodagu, Chikmagalur and Hasan, these districts are very known for coffee plantation. Whereas Mandya district, yes, so Mandya district, it is known for sugar cane. Yes, so Mandya district, it is known for sugar cane. That's why Mandya, it is known as sugarcane city. Yes, so that's why, because it has a very huge production in the sugarcane, and so prominent sugarcane factories or sugar factories are also there. That's why Mandya is famous for sugarcane. Whereas Udupi, Dakshin Kannada, Udupi, Dakshin Kannada, it is known for cashew nuts, pepper, rubber, and cardamom. So these are the some spices. So where does it found? So it is found in Udupi, Dakshin Kannada. Yes. So next, agriculture activities are not only confined to crop cultivation only, but also they include dairying, poultry, sheep rearing, and horticulture. Yes. So in the agriculture activities, there is no activities belonging to agriculture related. So apart from that, there are so many activities that all activities also considered as a agriculture activities. For example, dairying is there, poultry is there, sheep rearing is there, and horticulture. Yes, so these are some important activities that are also considered as a agriculture activities. What is horticulture? What is horticulture? Yes, very good. That is, horticulture means production of flower, that we called horticulture. Flower as well as fruits. Yes, that we called in Kannada Totagarike. Yes, in the Totagarike we grow up so many flowers, fruits, and so many things that we called horticulture. That is Totagarike. Okay, so let us discuss which are the major crops of this division. Yes, so paddy, ragi, maize, and various pulses. These are the major crops of this division. Yes, and let's see which are the commercial crops. So commercial crops are tobacco, coffee, cashew nuts, potato, sugarcane, cotton, orange, coconut. So these are the important major commercial crops of this division. Okay, and so Mysore division, it has a 4 irrigation facilities, and it has provided the irrigation facility to the this division. Okay, so let us discuss which is the famous irrigation plants. So they are Krishnaraj Sagar, Harangi, Himavati and Kabani. So these are the some important irrigation projects that provides irrigation facility to the districts of Mysore division. Yes, and in order to facilitate better agricultural practice, various agriculture colleges and farms have been established. Yes, so not only establishing the irrigation facility, so they have also facilitated to better agricultural practices, and various agricultural colleges and farms have been established. Okay, and Mysuru, Mangaluru, Hassan, Chikmagaluru, Mandya and Madikeri are the major industrial centers of this division. Yes, once again, Mysore, Mangaluru, Hassan, Chikmagaluru, Mandya and Madikeri. So this district, it has a very important industrial centers of this division. Yes, for example, industries like pharmaceutical industries are there. Yes, and coffee curing industries are there, food processing industries are there, fertilizer industries are there, petroleum industries are there, chocolate producing industries, and for example Campo and sugar industries are there, cement manufacturing industries are there. Yes, so these are the some important industries of Mysore division. Okay, and though the number of major industries is less in this division, thousands of small scale and medium scale industries are active here. Yes, so there are major industries. Yes, so although there are so many small scale and as well as small industries is also were active in this division. Okay, so this is all about this is all about Mysore division's agriculture and industries. Okay, so there are projects. Is for example Krishnaraj Sagar is there, Harangi, Himavati and Kabani irrigation projects are there. Yes, it provides the water facility to the Mysore division, and also their main crops are paddy, ragi, maize and various pulses, and also some commercial crops also they are growing. For example, tobacco is there, coffee, cashew nuts, potato, sugarcane, cotton, orange and coconut. Okay, so these are the some important crops are there of the Mysore division. Okay, so this is all about Mysore division agriculture and industries. Okay, so thank you for watching video.